Welcome back to another video. Today we got a parking lot sale. It says huge parking lot sale, 3 days only, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, October 11, 12, and 13. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, and especially for these parking lot sales, which you can get good deals on tools. If you guys haven't seen any of my parking lot sale videos where I shop at Harbor Freight, please look at those and you guys can see how that works, the parking lot sale. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started with this. We got pretty much Harbor Freight, 3 days only, so only 3 days. Extended store hours, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Friday, Saturday. Regular hours on Sunday. It says parking lot sale, huge parking lot sale, Friday. Okay, so we got October 11, 12, and 13. So that's next month. Basically, you guys got a month to figure out what you guys want to buy, and we'll go from there. We got the 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics carts, $189.99. This is one of the lowest prices we've seen on this white one. However, I have a coupon on one of my videos. If you guys need that coupon, you guys leave me a comment down below. I do have a coupon for $169.99 for the blue, black, and red. So again, it's $169. The expiration date on that coupon is December 31st. Okay, here's an item here. The next item is we got the Badlands ZXR. So this is the bigger one, the 12,000 pound truck SUV winch for $289.99. It's a great deal there. I believe this is one of the lowest cost or prices that we have. We got the Predator 2000 watt quiet inverter generator for $439.99. The current coupon that we have right now, it's $449.99. So you guys it is $10 cheaper. Definitely recommend, if you guys need one of these, definitely recommend you guys picking it up. 1750 psi electric pressure washer, great pressure washer. I do have it. This is the current coupon that we have now, so this is no sale, but this is basically just another $79.99 sale there. Save up to 92% on any of these items. Well, 92%, you could just, maybe you can, get a few good items, a few good deals here, but, some of these prices we see them all the time, so, not really smoking 92%. Liquidation sale, this is where you start saving up the money. This is where you can get all the good stuff. I can explain now. As it says here, it says hundreds of discounted open box factory reconditioned as it is, closeouts, scratch dent, discontinues bigger every day. So you get discounts every day, pretty much. It says 50, 60, and 93%. You know what, guys? It does not really work like this. Harbor Freight does not, lower the price 50% on Friday or Saturday. No. What they do is, most of the time, I'm not telling you that all the stores are the same way, but usually on Saturday they lower it down to 50%, and Sunday they lower it down to, I believe, 75%, 70 or 75%. So, and Sunday usually around 3 o'clock. That's most of my stores that I have here. That's when they lower the cost. But by Sunday there's nothing left really. All the good stuff is gone by Saturday morning. So definitely recommend you guys go on Saturdays, watch my parking lot sale, so you guys can see what kind of items you guys could get for that price. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, so you can get the look around the parking lot sales before they lower down the prices on Friday. I usually go on Fridays and film. Alright, we got some more miscellaneous little stuff here. Great gun there. This is a great little tool for the wheel chock. This is a new item here. I need to try that. This usually you get it free. This is free. So usually you get those for free with coupons. So watch my videos for those. This ladder, nice ladder for $99.99. Basically the competitor for the little giant. You get the 3-ton low profile steel floor jack for $99.99. I do have a current coupon of $79.99 for the older model, so it's the same model but the gray the Series 1. This is the Series 2, so this is the upgraded model. But still, you know, the old one's gonna perform just as good as this one, just because this one's nicer. This is a great light here. This is brown 5000 lumens hanging shop light. This is a shop light for under 20 bucks. Definitely recommend that for you guys. So it says here it's October 11, 12, 13, 3 days only. Okay, so you got your choice here, either the chainsaw or the blower for $39.99. It's always been that price. 10-inch slide miter saw, $99.99. On one of my videos, I did do a parking lot sale, and I did get this for 45 bucks on the parking lot sale. So it was an open item as it is. So you only got, I believe, 3 or 4 days to return it. But it's basically a brand new saw for 45 bucks. So, and I do have it still. It works pretty good. This is a new chainsaw from Bauer. These are great gloves for the light duty cleaning, or I do pest control. I use these all the time. They work pretty good. This is a great light for 5 bucks. Definitely recommend anything that's quantum or brawn. Definitely recommend it. Bauer is a great DIY drill, impact drill, and regular drills. All these drills and power tools are definitely recommend for the DIY. Oh, and another good item here is the Viking. I do have a video where I'm starting a V8 with this Viking power pack. This is one of the lowest cost, or the lowest price we've seen so far. I believe I paid 70 bucks for this, but it is $64.99. This is a great, they actually discounted this light. I do have it. I still have to do the 1-year review on this. Still works. It's still hanging up on my overhang of the roof. So it still works. Still works. Let's see here. We got tilting flat panel TV mount. Great little mount there. They can't screw that up because it's just steel. It's a great little gun for 10 bucks. Current coupon $19.99. A parking lot sale $18.99. So this will be a good item to get. Another good item to get if you guys, you know, do a lot of camping. You guys have a little RV or something, and you guys need to charge the battery. Definitely recommend this for you guys. You can run a small fan, a small TV, or just, you know, something really basic on this. You can't really run a whole lot. You can probably charge your phone and, you know, run these lights pretty much all day with the battery charged. So you do need a battery to charge the battery, because this is only a solar panel, only creates electricity. It does not store it, so you need a battery to store the energy, and then from then you can use it on your appliances. It says $149.99 for the current coupon. Parking lot sale $139.99. This is a great little, well, not little, it's actually pretty big, 20-volt lithium cordless extreme torque impact wrench. This is mostly for the professional. It's a great price, great deal for $219.99. Let's see here, Bauer $59.99. It's a great toolbox here. Definitely recommend this toolbox for the DIY. Somebody that likes to have their tools at home, or if you're a professional mechanic and you're starting and you don't have a lot of money to start, definitely recommend this box for you. Oh, and these lights, usually we see them for $9.99. Now they're under $9. So definitely recommend pick one of those up for you, or pick one of those up. Let's see here. This is always on sale. Definitely recommend this for you guys. Have multiple on your shop, so you're not switching blades or the, you know, the discs. You're not switching from cutting to all kinds of, you know, just have 3 different ones at the shop. 15-piece premium screwdriver set, $17.99. They did lower the price. You need accessories for your phone. There you go. You can pick some up. You know, Harbor Freight has those for emergency situations. All right, here on the top, Pretty much we got a 4375 watt max starting extra long life gas powered generator. This is a new version of this. This is the old version. This is $329 on the parking lot sale. Best coupon that we have is $359, so definitely a great item to buy at the parking lot sale. Alright, let's see here. We got the older version of this for $289.99. You got 20, let's see here. Current coupon for this Syntec 4-in-1 portable, it's $49.99. That is the current coupon that we have now. $59.99 on the parking lot sale, so definitely recommend just buying it with the coupon. Current coupon that we have for this is the 20 volt lithium cordless 1/2 inch impact wrench. I do have this. I do have the review on my channel. Watch that. I'll see if I can link it up above. If not, then just look at 20 volt lithium cordless 1/2 inch impact wrench, 2-head 147. You got current coupon $99.99. Parking lot sale price $89.99. So definitely recommend this for you guys. It is tool only, so you guys would have to buy the battery separate and the charger, or if you're already on the Bauer platform, all you have to do is just buy the tool. Braun 390 lumens magnetic slim bar lights. Definitely a great light. There's been some people that have been complaining about flickering. You know, just test it out. If it doesn't work, take it back and get another one. I haven't had any problems with mine. I've been using mine for over a year. I've been beating it. It's been falling. Been using it, putting it in drains, all kinds of stuff. Still works. $24.99 current coupon, $19.99 parking lot sale price. This is the better McGraw Superior 20-gallon oil lube air compressor. Current coupon that we have is $169.99. Parking lot sale $174.99. Definitely recommend with the coupon there. Pretty much everything else is normal. It's a great jack stands. Definitely recommend these jack stands for you guys. I tried buying some jack stands the other day. I couldn't find nothing cheaper than $25-30. So definitely $17.99. It's a great deal. Alright guys, that's it for today. Let's see what else it says here. It says October, all day on Thursday. That's for Inside Track Club. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. For those parking lot sales, I will be doing a video, not a live video, but you know, a video on the stores on these parking lot sales, so you guys will take a look at the items you can see at the parking lot sales. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.